All right, I gotta ask for some vegetarian stuff. And not only is this vegetarian, this is straight up vegan. And I'm gonna take this thing that's been left on all the store shelves, this cauliflower, and I'm gonna make it into something that even the most obsessed, staunchest meat eaters will eat. We're making cauliflower steak. So what I do, start to pull away some of the leaf on the cauliflower. And what I want to do is get these chunks of cauliflower out. And I want to keep them together because I'm going to cut them thick into a steak. Some of them are going to floor it out like that, but we have our steaks. So you can use these little extra pieces for mashed cauliflower or whatever. Here's what I'm interested in, these pieces. And what I'm gonna do, I have paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Season heavily. We wanna mirror a steak with these seasonings. So even someone who loves steak is going to love this. Heavily seasoned. Heavily, every inch. Beautiful. And behind me, I have a cast iron pan. It's gotta be cast iron, preheating. Cast iron gives a steak a flavor, and you want this to taste like steak. So let's get this rolling. Now I've got something I'm gonna use in the dish, just some baby bella mushrooms, and I'm gonna chop them in with all the seasoning that I just seasoned that cauliflower in. Sear the steaks. We're gonna treat this just like we would any other steak. So we wanna get a good sear on it, good color. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, here's the color you're looking for on the cauliflower steaks. Then into the oven, 425 degrees. Now the touch before this goes in are mushrooms. Into the side. Stir them around. Into the oven. All done. Beautiful. Same actions, same